Ayurvedic medicine is a way of life. It is an art of living. This practice of Ayurveda began 5,000 years ago in India and is still prevalent around the world, shaping and enhancing the lives of many people. How does modern life affect health? A lifestyle according to Ayurveda can provide you with health benefits. In the fast-paced modern lifestyle, people do not find time to take care of their health, and just applying harsh chemicals that give rise to unwanted afflictions and diseases. Ayurveda improves the quality of your daily life. The Ayurvedic lifestyle helps reduce, restore, and maintain the optimum levels with natural remedies and treatments. Ayurvedic treatments and remedies are built using ancient knowledge and complex compositions that can be easily incorporated into your life. These treatments and remedies have been in use since ancient times in various forms like Ayurvedic oils, Ayurvedic herbs, powders, balms, etc. These remedies are easily accessible, hassle-free, and can be easily adapted to your stressful modern lifestyle. Living according to the Ayurvedic lifestyle can help us live with better immunity and emotional well-being. In today's technological world, PureMitti helps you to have these Ayurvedic products are readily and easily available online.